Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconnect bank feed on Xero. So first, you may want to head over, of course, to xero.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the top corner of your screen, just click on Accounting, then click on Bank Accounts. Next, we're just going to proceed by clicking on Add Bank Account. And from here, you can start searching for a bank, credit card, or payment provider to connect to Zero. Next is just select the bank. And from here, you will then be prompted to connect accounts. To start, just click on continue and log into bank. And lastly, to proceed, all you have to do is enter in your login credentials. It could be a corporate code, user ID, and password. Then once done, just proceed by clicking on the next button. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!